WTI. Are you looking for an easy to use handheld lemon squeezer? Then this Gourmet Easy stainless steel lemon squeezer is just for you. This doesn't just do lemons, it can do oranges, it can do limes, and it can do lemons obviously. So this is a fantastic piece of hardware. As you can see here, it's really finely made. I just wanted to demonstrate how the handle pops out for easy cleaning, which is a huge bonus for me. I like things that are easy to clean. The basket that catches your seeds goes right there, and then just slides right back in. So nice, so easy to use. I love the quality craftsmanship. I also love that there's this little knob at the end, so when you're squeezing, your hand isn't going to slide out. So now, let's demonstrate this product in action. So I'm going to place my half lemon in there, and I'm going to squeeze. And as I said before, you've got that nice pressure there to get a good squeeze. Another great feature is the pour spout. If you can see it here, it makes it really easy. If you want to make a dressing, which is what I typically do for my lemon dressings, I squeeze fresh lemon because it's just so much better than the bottled stuff. But sometimes you need an exact measurement depending on the dressing recipe. So what I like is that it's got this easy pour spout. I'm not getting any extra seeds. I found other lemon squeezers in the past when I pour out the juice, a couple of seeds have fallen in there. But with the basket and the easy pour spout, you have no problems with that, and you've got your juice ready to go. I think you're gonna love this Gourmet Easy stainless steel lemon squeezer, and that's my point of view.